I would pay $20 million for the life of my daughter. And don't you dare forget, 12 of it is mine.
Michelle, darling. You know that's a very low blow though. And really the radio station is vexed about still?
I tried to turn my life around. I worked hard to build that radio station. And if I had it right now, I would have sold it just for the sake of the life of my child. So don't you dare come make it seem as if I'm trying to get back at anything. This is my child life I'm talking about.
So because of sperm and my child too, you don't think so me a hurt too? You don't think so me would have sell it too just to get her back? Michelle, you don't think so? Look here, don't upset me now. Don't upset me.
You already sold it. So why not give up the 12 million? And I'm sure you have 8 million stashed somewhere from all your political exploits.
Michelle, you are making this about the money, you see? You are making this about the money. It's not about the money, Michelle. Me have more than $20 million. You don't understand the seriousness of this. Every 7 minutes a child is taken. And 70% of those children don't come back home. And the people are pay over their money. You understand that we could get a body parts of her, one bag. Is that what you want, Michelle? Because I don't want that.
I'm going to blame you for this. You! Next thing, they're going to raise it up to even $30 million. You don't even know. As we speak, they could be planning for more money.
You're going like I know my daughter too. And my daughter that, biological or not. And don't forget that.
Yo, politician boy, a 3 day now a man and get nothing from money now. You want to take a joke thing money now? Even know, check your phone.